Refusal of entry to Israel, what foreign visitors need to know. Hi, I'm Joshua Pex, an Israeli immigration lawyer. Welcome to our channel. If you're planning a trip to Israel, it's important to understand that having a valid passport, a visa approval, or even an approved ETA-IL travel authorization does not automatically guarantee entry into Israel. Israeli border authorities have a broad discretion to decide whether a foreign national may enter or whether they're refused. While many visitors pass through the border control without difficulty, others may be questioned extensively by immigration officers and in some cases denied entry altogether. Suspicion of illegal immigration intentions is the most common reason stated on deportation orders. Immigration officials may examine the traveler's previous visits, employment background, financial situation, travel plans, and supporting documents. In some cases, they may also review digital communications if they believe additional verification is necessary. Foreign partners or spouses of Israeli citizens often receive additional scrutiny. Authorities may suspect that the visitor intends to live permanently in Israel without first obtaining the appropriate immigration status required by law. Repeat visitors, digital nomads, and individuals from countries where illegal immigration to Israel is common, or those with prior immigration issues, may also face more detailed questioning. Other factors that can lead to a refusal of entry include previous visa violations, criminal history, security concerns, BDS activists, or information that raises doubt about the purpose of the visit. At the airport or border crossing, travelers are referred to secondary inspection if illegal immigration is suspected. During this process, immigration officers may ask detailed questions about accommodation, employment abroad, family ties, financial resources, and future travel plans. Border control officials regularly ask visitors to show communications in their mobile phones, even though the court ruled against this practice, which violates privacy rights. Consistency is extremely important. Even relatively small contradictions between a traveler's statements and their documents can increase suspicion and affect the final decision. In recent years, Israel introduced the ETA-IL electronic travel authorization system for travelers from visa-exempt countries, such as the US or EU nationals. This system functions similarly to programs in the United States and Canada. However, travelers should remember that the ETA-IL approval only allows boarding transportation to Israel. The final decision regarding entry to Israel is made by immigration officials at the border crossing. If entry is denied, the traveler will typically receive a written refusal and deportation order explaining the decision. In many cases, the person may be held in detention facility near the airport until arrangements are made or departure on the next available flight. The consequences of refusal can be significant. A denied traveler may face future entry restrictions, enhanced screening during future visits, financial guarantees as a condition of re-entry, or even long-term ban that can last between 5 and 10 years. Despite the broad powers granted to immigration authorities in Israel, legal remedies and possible action are available. Refusal of entry decisions can be challenged through administrative appeals and judicial review procedures. Time is often critical because deportation procedures can move very quickly after a refusal decision is issued. Legal representatives may be able to communicate directly with immigration authorities, submit additional evidence, challenge procedural mistakes, negotiate temporary entry conditions, or even file urgent appeals to the Immigration Tribunal in order to delay or prevent deportation. The likelihood of success depends on the specific facts of each case, including the traveler's immigration history, family connections in Israel, documentation, and the evidence relied upon by border officials when making their decision. For travelers who know they may face difficulties because of previous deportations, visa violations, denied travel authorizations, or family connections in Israel, Advanced preparation is strongly recommended, supporting documents such as return flight reservations, hotel bookings, proof of employment abroad, evidence of financial means, and accurate travel information can help demonstrate that the visit is genuine and temporary. In conclusion, while most visitors enter Israel without any problem, refusal of entry remains a real possibility even for travelers with valid travel authorization. Understanding the process, preparing documentation in advance, and seeking legal assistance when necessary can significantly improve a traveler's ability to navigate the Israeli border control system. Thank you for listening. I hope this overview has helped you better understand the rules and procedures surrounding entry into Israel. If you have any questions, contact us.